Okay, now I'm going to try this again. Assignment 327 review. It got blurry on me last time. I'm not sure the reason why. Okay, so you have the answer key to assignment 327. You can look at it, check it out, see how you did with it. The key here, one of the keys, no pun intended on the answer key, we're looking for angle measures in a lot of these problems, so that requires a step for us. Now, problem five has triangle ABC, right? Side lengths 15 and 10, and we know that angle there is 93 degrees up there, and they're asking us for angle A. Now, we're going to figure out the measure of angle A using the law of sines. Okay, law of sines. The law of sines, this is a little review where you didn't look at it over the weekend, I assume. So law of sines is contingent upon knowing an angle measure and a side length across from it, and there it is. That's the magical setup that we need. So we got to go sine 93 over 15 equals, and on the other side you set up another side length underneath an angle measure. Now in this problem, that's exactly what we're looking for, an angle measure, but we do know the side across from it is 10. So you set it up that way. Okay, we don't know C, we don't know the side across from it, it's not involved. It doesn't help us in the problem, but yet we're not looking for anything there, so that saves us some grief. Okay, so now we're going to go through the steps. We're going to cross multiply and solve, right? We're going to get the 10 times sine 93 equals 15 times the sine of A. Not A, but the sine of A. Okay, I'm just going to take a peek to make sure my iPad is clear. Okay, it's still pretty clear, so that's good. I had to redo this entire video. So now we're going to get the sine of A by itself right here, sine of A. And the way we're going to do it is through algebra, right? Remember, divide both sides by 15, divide both sides by 15. Now, in your calculator, you're going to take 10 times sine 93, and you're going to hit enter. And a number is going to pop up. Don't do anything yet, because you're going to divide by 15. So when you do 1093 times sine 93, enter, and you divide by 15, the number that comes up is 0.67. So solving this algebraically, you've got the sine of A is 0.67. But we're not looking for the sine of A, we're looking for the measure of angle A. And when you're looking for the measure of an angle, we've done this, I've written it on this board a number of times now. You hit the second button first. Then you hit, what are you using? Sine, cos, or tan? Sines involved in this problem. Okay, second, sine 0.67, and then enter. And that'll get us the angle measure that matches up with that sine ratio. And that angle measure is 41.7 degrees. 41.7 degrees is the measure of angle A. Okay, so take a look at that. That's your setup essentially when you're looking for, you're in a situation where you're looking for an angle measure. And the other problems on this, you're also looking for an angle measure. So take a look and see how you can solve that. Again, the answer keys are pretty detailed, so, but I like to point out on a video, if I can, how to manage that. Okay, I think we got one more video today presenting the next topic.